Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl kama kawaida. Yeah, welcome back to this channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And for the new viewers, for those who are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Don't leave this channel or this video without subscribing. Let me give you time to subscribe. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na kuona subscribe. 5. Yeah, you've subscribed now. Turn on the notification bell. Yeah. And so today we're going to do a makeup video. I'm not sure about the look, but itajileta tukiendelea. So let's get into the video. So we're starting with the eyebrows. First things first, we're brushing using this brush. I don't know how it's called. Brush going upwards, just like that. And then after brushing, lining, we're using Davis number 3 eye pencil. Starting from the lower side of your eyebrow. To know where to start from, you'll place your eye pencil. I'm going to show you. Just like this, to know where to start from, lining your lower side. And then the upper side, you'll place your pencil like this to know where you start from. And then we'll just line like that. Before lining, we'll level the hairs to avoid overlining on the upper side. We'll level using the same brush that we used at the start. And then after lining, we're combing through again, going upwards. Just like that. And guys, kindly subscribe, like this video, comment and share. Please subscribe, don't leave without subscribing. And then after brushing through, you're going to fill in using the same pencil, Davis number 3 eye pencil, drawing hair like strands, just slightly. Or if you have a lot of eyebrows, you don't have to fill in. If you have few, you'll have to fill in, or just the way you want your eyebrows to look. I'm slightly filling in. Yeah, so after filling in, that's how eyebrows look. And then next we're going to clean our eyebrows using Eyebrow Concealer in the shade Fawn. Starting from slightly, we're leaving a little space in the inner corner to avoid the eyebrow being too harsh around that area. And then with concealing, just be gentle, don't be too harsh. Usifinyilie brush. And then the product that is remaining on the brush is what we are using at the inner corner. So this video is only going to be about the eyebrows. I'll upload the full makeup on another video, so kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Ndo nikipost, you will be among the first people to know and come and view the video and learn something. And so on the upper side, I'm using foundation to clean the upper side, or you can as well leave the eyebrows like that only by concealing the lower side, and then you proceed to doing the entire face without cleaning the upper side. Your eyebrows will still look good, but here I'm cleaning using foundation. Doing doing eyebrows is not hard, guys. As long as you're keen, doing eyebrows is not hard. Yeah, you can see how eyebrow is looking. You can let me know what you think in the comment section and what you want me to do in the comment section. You can also comment. I'll be doing more videos here. And that's the final look of our eyebrows. You can see how good they look. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Meet again in the next video. Bye.